Swiss military. You might have heard this name before, and if you have, then you must be knowing that the products of this company have become really popular in the last 2 years. And it works in the category of men's and women's apparels, consumer goods, and it sells electronics products like toaster, mixer grinder, induction cooker, and all these things. But as investors, we are always interested to know, can we invest in this company? Let's find out in this video where I will do the complete analysis of Swiss military. So let's get started. Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is the official website of Swiss military. So in the home page itself, you can see what all product it works into. Okay, what all product it sells. Okay, and here are the electronics product, right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to directly go to the fundamentals part. Okay, I will take you to the screener page. I will share the link of this official website like always in the description section. You can go through it and you will get to know more about it. Okay, so this is Swiss military consumer goods. Okay, coming to this part, the current price of this company stock is 22.57. Okay, so it's a micro cap as of now. Market cap is 443 crores. Reserves it has is 27.5 crores, and there is no debt at all, 0.00. That's why the debt to equity ratio is also 0.00, which is excellent. Okay, 3 year sales growth, you can see 225%. So this is a massive number. You can imagine how strongly this company is expanding in terms of its sales. Now coming to the profit, same we are getting to see 108% in last 3 years average growth, and earning per share growth 108.75%. So these three numbers are clearly telling how rapidly this company's reach is growing and how fast it is evolving. Okay, so these are the good points as of now we have got. Now coming to return on asset, it is 9.25. So this is a decent number, not an excellent number but decent number. Okay, return on capital employed 11.22. This is also a good number. Okay, current ratio 6.41. So this number is really good. Okay, so it's a very good number. Operating profit margin is 4.11. So we can see the median is 4.85. So it is close to the median, so it is fine, acceptable. Okay, you can see other companies in this industries also have similar operating profit margin, so it's fine. Now the promoter holding is at 63.85%. So this is also a good number. Promoters are holding a lot of stake, and Altman Z score is 13.55. This is also a very good number. So the fundamentals so far are looking strong. No red flags as of now. Now what we are going to see? We are going to see the year-on-year profit and loss statement to know if it is actually growing or not. Okay, so here is the profit and loss statement, and if I consider past 4 years. Okay, let me consider past 4 years. You can see the sales of this company was just 5 crores in 2021 March, which went up to 56 crore. So 10 times you can see here. Okay, and then in March 2023, 122 crores, again 2 times from here. Okay, that means 20 times from here, almost 20 times, more than that in fact. Okay, and not 20 times, even I think it is more than that. Okay, so coming to trailing 12 months, it is 154. Okay, so 154 coming from 122. So that is again a massive increase in the trailing 12 months. Now operating profit, it has gone up from 0 to 2, then to 6. Okay, and it is still at 6 crores. Okay, so we can see that the operating profit margin has also increased during this time from 0% to 4%, then 5%, then again 4%. But if you see the previous operating profit margin, it was in loss most of the years. Okay, minus 13, minus 8, minus 20. So that's a very, very good recovery, I would say. Very good, transition from a loss making company to a profit making company. Now, coming to earning per share. So here also we are getting to see a very healthy improvement from 0 to 0.15, 14, then to 0.26, 0.34. Okay, steadily the earning per share has also been increasing. So that is again another good factor about this company. Now what we are going to see is the shareholding pattern. Okay, so when we look at shareholding pattern, the first thing we can notice is that the promoters have reduced the stake by almost 8.5%. Okay, and the DIIs were holding 0.002% stake, and now they are not holding anything. Okay, and here the public holding has increased, obviously. Okay, so if we look in a general sense, then obviously this is not a good news. Okay, this is not a good news at all, because the promoters have reduced the stake and FIIs have also reduced the stake. But we need to remember that this is a micro cap company, and we do not get to see strong holdings from FIIs and DIIs in micro cap companies. Okay, so fundamentally talking, if you think that this company has a bright future, and if the sales growth, revenue growth, all this, profit growth, all these things are actually making sense to you, then fundamentally I would say you can definitely consider investing in this company. Okay, we never know when this company might attract more and more FIs and DIs, and in the future quarters they might increase the stake. We never know that. As of now they have not done, but that is all about investing and trading, that you have to see the evolving trend of the stock and then invest little bit early, so that you can capture the big move, and also take calculated risk. No need to consider that you want to dump a lot of money because the share price is just 22 rupees, or you want to invest a huge sum of money to get a large number of shares. You don't have to do that. So you have to take calculated risk, because this is a micro cap company. You have to keep this thing in mind. So fundamentally I would say this company is strong. It has been growing, and the sales, profit, earning per share growth has been phenomenal, but the shareholding pattern is not looking promising. This is one major drawback about this company. Rest all things are good. So that is about the fundamentals. And if you are watching the video so far, I request all of you to please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse. Right now, let's go to the price action part and see if you want to take calculated risk in this company and invest. Can you invest right now? Let's find out. This is Swiss military's price action in monthly time frame, and you can see from the COVID crash, it has rapidly gone up. Okay, it was in loss and it has gone up by 8,000% in 822 days. So that's massive increase, massive rally from here. Okay, so this is the power of micro cap stocks. Okay, with promising future. Obviously, not all the stocks, but micro cap stocks with promising future who have healthy business model. Right now, coming to the current scenario, we should focus on the present scenario and decide if we can invest in the stock or not. So you see, the stock, after giving this huge rally from this point to this point, you can see it gave a dark cloud cover pattern in monthly time frame. Okay, as it is in monthly time frame, obviously it has higher importance. And you can see after that candle formation, which has breached the middle part of this green candle, you can see the stock price falling. Okay, and it came down to this level. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw one support resistance line here. Okay, and it has been drawn. Now you can see after coming to this level, so initially it hit this level and went up. Okay, it was coming down from here, it hit this level, went up, again dark cloud cover here, it came down, and again it hit here, and again it started going up. Okay, so that clearly tells that the stock price is not ready to go below this line. This is 11.74, 12 we can say. Okay, 12 we can round up, so it is not ready to go below 12 level. Now the question is, if it is not ready to go down, is it ready to go up? Yes, it looks like the trend is building and the bulls are getting stronger and stronger. Okay, the momentum is increasing. Okay, how can we calculate? How can we see that the momentum is increasing? First of all, the candlestick pattern is clearly telling us. Okay, you can see the rising green candles is clearly telling us. Second thing what we can do is to obviously use the momentum indicators to see the momentum is strong or not. So I'm going to use the momentum indicators RSI and MACD. So here it is, and you can see the stock price, when the stock price was getting in this consolidation phase here, you can see the RSI level dropped below the moving average, but it never really went below the middle line, the 50 level. Okay, it stayed above there. Okay, and then it broke the 60 level here, and again it stayed there, and now the stock price is actually the RSI line is actually above the moving average, you can see here. Okay, let me just expand it so that you can get a clear view. So I will expand this one, and you can see how nicely the RSI level is staying around 60, and now it has made this moving average as a support here, and it is ready to go up. So this is one clear confirmation from the momentum indicators that the momentum is building strong. Now let's check the other momentum indicators, that is the MACD, and here you can clearly see a monthly crossover has already occurred here. Okay, and the green bars have started appearing. Monthly crossover has already occurred here, and it is looking like, and it looks like the trend is getting stronger and stronger in higher time frames, in monthly time frame. So this is the second factor. So both the momentum indicators are clearly telling that the stock price is actually getting stronger in monthly time frame. Now what we are going to do, obviously we are going to use the moving average. Okay, so here when I use the moving average, you can see if I use the 40 weeks, let's see, 30 weeks is fine. Okay, so you can see that this moving average, 30 months and 10 months moving average, have also started turning up and is providing support. So that clearly means if I go to the weekly time frame and use 40 weeks moving average, I might get to see strong support. So I'll go to weekly moving average. This is the weekly, and I have enabled the 40 weeks. So 40 weeks means what? 200 days moving average. Okay, that again also will go to daily time frame and see. So you can see how nicely the 200 days moving average is providing support to the price action of this stock. Okay, and it is getting stronger and stronger here. Okay, and also let's check the volume as well. Okay, the volume is also looking good. Okay, and see back to back green volume bars for continuous weeks during this phase. Okay, then again the volume bars here are also strong enough, right? So this is clearly telling us that the stock is actually building momentum, and it could be starting a new strong rally very soon. Okay, now let's go to the daily time frame to see the same. So this is the daily time frame, and if I enable 200 days moving average, you can see the same scenario. We are getting strong support here. As soon as the price is touching 200 days moving average, it is going up, coming down again, touching again, going up, and here is the third time. So three times it has touched the 200 days moving average and it has bounced back. Right, now let's check for the final time the volume during this big candle, which is the last trading day candles of, and it gave 9.46% gain. Okay, and you can see the big volume bar providing support to this candle and to this candle, the latest candle as well. So the question is, can you invest in this company or trade this company? I would say definitely you can do. Okay, and if you are someone who always is looking for opportunity for emerging stocks, micro cap or small cap, to put some money and take calculated risks so that you can get the big, the big rally, because this small cap micro caps actually have the room to expand, and in that way the share price will also expand and it will compound your money. So if you are someone who is looking for such an opportunity, then definitely this stock is for you. You can put some money in this one. Okay, and if you are someone who you are very conservative and don't want to take any risk in any micro cap or small cap, just want to stick to large cap, mid cap, and play the game safe, then this is not for you. But if you are someone who is little bit aggressive and looking for opportunity, definitely you should not miss out on Swiss military. You can take some risk. In fact, you can put the money in the next trading day itself. As I have shown you, all the factors are actually aligning and giving us the idea that this stock has actually given a breakout. Fundamentals are good. Okay, and the price action has created a perfect pattern and has given the opportunity to investors to put their money right here, right? So definitely I am also personally going to invest in this company to take some calculated risk, because this looks like a promising micro cap company, and people like you who really want to do the same, take calculated risk in this micro cap small cap company, you should also do the same and take some risk, right? So that's all about Swiss military. I hope this video was helpful and informative to you. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse, and don't forget to join the Financial Impulse community if you are finding my videos are actually helpful to you. There I post even more number of stock analysis, because I cannot make all the videos about a stock on a day. I can make a single video. Rest of the things I post in my community, and also you can chat with me directly on Discord if you are a financial member, Financial Impulse member. Okay, so that's all about this video. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye, take care.